Hämeenkatu 25 in Tampere, staircase B. In 1982 by Valmet Otis B1K 1089. I'm sorry if I have filmed this staircase or staircase A before, or then I have filmed enters in this building before. Seventh floor. This elevator is faster. Bigger also, 8 persons, 630 kilograms. These elevators are going to be modernized by König fortunately, but very bad things. After 3 months, ground floor. Fortunately I got this filmed. This is the last ride. Inspected by inspector and maintained by König. Inspection is a few months late, but it's now July, but it's not going to be inspected anymore. Seventh floor. This elevator is in good shape, so this modernization is needless, but ground floor. That's it.